because that's literally how we get paid. Like, you have a simple website, all right? You use System.io, and when people buy, you will literally have payments show up in this. I was literally making hundreds of dollars in my sleep, passively, literally selling digital products. And I'm going to show you and answer all the questions that you have so you can start doing the same thing, so you can finally start making money online and know the complete formula. All right, so I ain't gonna lie to you, I actually wrote down notes on my cell phone. So this video is gonna be really valuable for those who have a lot of questions with making money online, and I got you. I don't want you to have any more questions after watching this video, because the more information that you think you need to learn, the longer you're going to put forth or separate yourself from actually accomplishing your goal of making money online. Now, real quick, I want to let you know that I didn't start off as a professional. I'm no different than you. I'm no special than you. I have no superpowers. Okay, I actually started door dashing, having flyers printed off to my social media that had digital products that I was selling. And I was hoping that, hey, if I stapled this flyer to a DoorDash order and dropped it off at people's front doors, then maybe, just maybe, someone would look me up, scan the QR code and find me on social media and be like, you know what? I want to buy his digital product. But nobody bought. And it wasn't until I learned these things and these questions I'm going to answer for you guys on how I actually was able to make $3,000 by month 3 of starting my online business. Okay. So check this out. I know you guys are probably wondering right now, what is a digital product? Well, simply said, a digital product is literally a product that exists on a screen. These are ebooks, PDFs, Word documents, MP3 files. These are communities. Okay. It's literally something that exists on a screen. Okay. Don't overcomplicate it. All right. I'm not talking about stocks. I'm not talking about ETFs, crypto, none of that. You can make a digital product in this in this amount of time. Okay. Like, I've created a digital product in literally like 15 minutes and made $200 off it in 1 week. Okay. But this isn't a get rich quick thing. You actually need to give people information they're willing to pay for. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Right. So the second thing I want you to know is, how much can you actually make with digital products? Right? Because obviously, if you want to make money online, you don't want to be scraping up pennies. And a lot of people will tell you, like sell something called low ticket digital products, which is a couple of dollars. You can charge anywhere from $1 to $99 to $300 to $500 to $800. I've sold digital products up to $3,000. But as a beginner, if you're ready to make money online, right, you want to sell something probably in between $1 and $99. And I'm going to tell you why, because you have to get established first. And it's really, really, really hard if you're just going to start out charging $3,000 for something and you've never made $1 online with digital products. It'll be easier for someone to spend $1 with you and then later on spend hundreds or thousands more. Okay. Like, I wish I knew this early on, because it took me so long. It took me like 3 years to learn how to talk on the phone and sell a digital product one-on-one, because that's how I was taught. I was taught to work hard to sell digital products. And even though it paid off well, it took me a long time to be able to even talk correctly to have people feel good about, you know what? I'm going to spend $3,000 with you, even though I never met you in person my whole life. Okay. So question number 3 that you might have about making money online is, with digital products, is, how does the passive income work with digital products? And I want to go ahead and share my screen, because I'm a man that practices what he preaches. Like, all these processes that I'm going to show you is literally things that I've done. So I'm going to show you my old Instagram page real quick. All right. And this old Instagram page, I literally stopped posting on it like maybe a month ago. But this is where I was primarily selling digital products. I would post simple content, 6 to 10 second reels, and all organic, no paid ads. And what would happen is, when people would, see what I was talking about, which is make money online, they would click a link in my bio. And this link in my bio would have them, remember, a digital product is literally something that exists on the screen. I would literally have a live class once a week. And in order for them to access it, it was only $9. Now, I still may promote this like in the description down below, but right now I'm not doing the live class. All right. But I want you to know that it was just $9. Now, here's the thing. You might be like, well, Jay, $9 is a lot. It's not a lot of money, right? Here's the thing. Let me stop sharing my screen real quick. Okay. $9 is a lot of money when you ain't got to trade your time for money for it. When you don't have to trade your time for money anymore, this is called freedom. Let that sink in. You didn't have to clock in. You didn't have to actively work. Let me be clear. This class that I had people paying $9 for, I created it like a year and a half ago. Okay, let that sink in. I was doing it every week. And just to show you that this is actually real, right? I'm going to show you all the $9 transactions that went through. You can see if we go back some on my same account that I showed you guys, you're going to start seeing like $9 payments right here, right? And this is when I started selling that class, right? $9, $9, $9. And that stuff adds up. Now, I want to let you know real quick before you get antsy about like, oh my gosh, okay, I see that it's working. I want to let you know that if you have an idea, okay, if you are passionate or knowledgeable about something and you're like, I want to make money from it by sharing my own knowledge because I know I can help someone, I want to let you know real quick, I do have a free community that you can join for 7 days. It's going to be free and you're going to be able to have access to choosing your own strategy. I'm actually taking you backstage. I'm going to allow you to steal these files, literally get access to the community. When you click this link, you're going to see, I've already done all the hard work for you. Okay. Check this out. These are all topics that people are already knowledgeable about, just like you. And I linked their YouTubes in this Excel form, right? In this Google Sheet form, literally. And I'm showing you how you could have your own digital product as an ebook, a course, or a community in all of these different subjects, right? Now, if you want access to this, again, it's in the 7-day free trial in my community. All right. And it's the Ask You Wealth community. The link is going to be in the description down below, but you can also comment start down below and I will personally send you or reply back with the link so you guys can get access to that. Okay. Cool. Now, some other questions you might have when it comes down to making money online is what system allows people to buy from you? And I'm glad you asked, because as I showed you on my screen right here, right, you guys saw that this is obviously like a website. Like people can actually type in their information right here and you see Visa, MasterCard, all these different, card services, and they see information about what they're going to purchase. To let you know this is so simple to set up because it's not a fancy website. It literally looks like a Word document. So right now I use a system called System.io, right? A system called System.io. I got to put a block over this right part of the screen so nobody's emails gets exposed. But this is like a new system I've been using. You can start it completely free. Like I'm using the free version right now. Okay. And I'm going to leave the link to that in the description down below as well. It's called System.io. And what happens is you get to create websites that literally are so simple. Like this is all the website is. And then when people click the button, they get something free. And if I wanted to charge for it, they would pay for it. Simple as that. Right now, I can give you guys the templates to this as well inside the community that I showed you guys right here. Right. Because I can give you guys templates to it, which is under setting up your funnels, because it's called set up your funnels. Right. And the beautiful part about this is you don't have to build this from scratch. I've already built it for you. You can download it completely free. Again, the community 7-day free trial. You can cancel anytime. All right. But I want to bring that up because that's literally how we get paid. Like you have a simple website. All right. You use System.io. And when people buy, you will literally have payments show up in the system. Okay. Literally in the system. It's an all-in-one system. Okay. Now, the next question that may arise is, well, how to create your own digital product. Like as a beginner, I know it can be overwhelming to think about a PDF you have to create, a course you have to create, a community you want to create. Like you have all these great ideas, right? But here's the part. You want to create something simple, like something so simple that people are like, you know what? I don't mind paying for that. Let me check it out. And you can actually chill and lay back on instead of feeling so stressed out. And I recommend that you guys start selling ebooks on your own knowledge. Now, how do you create your own ebook? I'm going to walk you through that process as well. Real quick. Okay. Check this out. This is the same method that I used to make $200 in 1 week in only 15 minutes. Check this out. So first things first is I would open GPT. I'm going to open that up on my screen real quick. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right. Cool. So I would open up GPT and I would type in something like this. Name. No. I'm knowledgeable about losing fat and building muscle. I need you to create ebook chapters so I can create my ebook from my own knowledge. Okay. And then ChatGPT is going to go ahead and write out a table of contents or some chapters, right? Now, here's the thing right here. While that's typing that out, I'm going to get my phone. Okay. I'm going to get my phone right now. And I have an app called Otter AI. All right. Otter AI, completely free. All it is a recording app. It kind of looks like this, right? I get Otter AI. Okay. And you guys are going to see this little blue button. Let me stop sharing my screen real quick. You guys are going to see this little blue button, right? You're going to see this little blue button in the bottom right-hand corner, the mic button right there. Let me see. Right there, that little blue button right there, right? Boom. You hit that record button and you start talking. Now, Otter AI is going to transcribe all the text that it hears into text that you can copy and paste. All right. Now, all you need to do is literally look at each little chapter that GPT wrote out and talk about what you're already knowledgeable about. If it creates something that you're not knowledgeable about, just take it out. But look at the topics and record every little chapter like you're telling a best friend. You don't have to record it like a camera, but you just literally talking to the phone. Now, after that, ChatGPT is going to create a transcript. It's going to look like this, right? I'm going to see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay. It's going to create a transcript just like this, right? By the way, you can do this on desktop as well. I'm just showing you just for the, convenience of the video that it's on my phone. It's going to create a transcript. You want to copy that transcript. And what you're going to do is, check this out. You're going to go to one of my favorite websites called Fiverr. Okay. Fiverr.com. All right. Now, you guys don't have to do this. This is going to cost you money, but I'd rather do this than having to create an ebook from scratch. A lot of people are going to tell you, oh, you can download a template and you can create it like this. Yeah, but it comes with a lot of formatting, and I don't have time to be spending hours on an ebook, and we haven't even made money from it yet. I'm going to show you right here that I spent about $39 with someone who creates ebooks. She specializes in ebooks. You guys can see right there when I zoom in the screen. Okay, I paid $39 one time. Remember, I made it $200 my first week. She made the ebook look like it came out of Barnes and Noble. Not gonna lie to you. Okay. When I look at let's see if I can pull up the delivery. So what she did was she gave me the file that I can edit in Canva if I ever want to make changes. And I'm going to open up the file real quick just to show you guys what that looks like. Boom. Okay. Again, I'm in the make money online niche. She literally got the photos. She asked for a couple photos of me, and she literally got, like, all I did, guys, was give her a Word document of what Otter AI had. All I did was send her text like this, and I was like, this is my text. I need you to make an ebook for it. And she made it look beautiful. Okay. I did nothing to it. Okay. Now here's the thing. I was able to use my simple website like I showed you, and I listed my book for around $59 for an ebook that took me 15 minutes to create. Now, when I did this, here's the thing. I was able to make not only $59, but people who are a little bit chill and laid back and they're like, I don't feel like taking time out my day to read a book. They know they like convenience. So while you're driving at work, while you're in the gym, while you're driving to work, from work, it doesn't matter, taking care of the kids, cooking, it doesn't matter. All I did was end up recording my ebook and charging like $39 more. So then that $59 sale turned into like $90. And that's where I made like 2 sales within 1 week and made $200 off an ebook that took me 15 minutes. Okay. Now I just walked y'all through that whole process. I wasn't even supposed to go that far, but hey, we got to go to the next question. All right. By the way, if you want to sell your own digital products, like I just showed y'all, I'm telling you right now, what you need to do is comment start down below. And I'm going to give you a 7-day free trial to my community where you're literally going to have my help in the community. Right now, it's a couple of people who've already joined. All right. We just launched it. But I'm going to show you right now that all you have to do is have the right help, because I'm going to help you choose your strategy, and you're going to actually have access to the 30+ niche ideas that make money. And when you get this, you're going to see other people and how they create content. I've built it all out for you, and I literally walk you through step by step how to create your own ebook in this community. Okay. All right. Bet. So the next question that you may have, right, is how to deliver your digital product. And the beautiful thing about it is the same system that I showed you guys, right? System IO, the same system that I showed you guys, you're going to be using this. As soon as they type in their email and they type in their card number to buy your ebook, your digital product, what's going to happen is, let me go ahead, exit out. You have something called automations. Okay. You have something called automations. Let me stop sharing my screen real quick. My mom is calling me. All right. You have something called automations. And so if we look at automations and we click workflows, what happens is whenever someone enters in an email and buys something from us, they get sent an email. And I literally have an email that's already automatically sent out as soon as someone buys. That's all that's to it. I promise you. It's more simple than you think. Again, it's an all-in-one system. All right. Now, another question that you may have is how to create, well, not how to create. We already covered that, right? But how to promote your digital product. And this is one of the most important things, because this is where you're going to spend most of your time, is promoting your own digital product. Now, when we look at this, right? When we look at this, all you have to do, guys, to promote your digital product is create YouTube videos. I know I showed you Instagram, but Instagram is a lot of work. You have to post stories. You have to post a ton of times, like 3 times a day. It's a lot of filming, different locations. People have shorter attention spans. It's so much easier to create a video that you are already knowledgeable about on YouTube, kind of like what I'm already doing, right? But you don't have to be as tactical as me. You could literally just talk in front of a camera, and I recommend you show your face because it'll build trust a lot faster. But all you have to do is create simple videos and post them, okay? That's it. That's all I do right now, and that's all you need to do. Now, if you need to learn how to correctly create videos on YouTube from scratch, and you're a beginner at this, again, the community is going to be your best bet, because I show you guys inside the community exactly how to create content. Right here, the content module covers how to create content that actually makes you money. Simple as that. We show you how to build your systems. We show you how to build your product. We show you the right strategy. We show you how to make content from your phone. I'm using my phone right now, right? And my laptop. Okay. Now, the last question you may have is, why would someone want to buy from you? And here's the thing. Well, since you're making content that's already about you, since you're making content that already is about your story, kind of like how I told you about my DoorDash story, making digital products that make money online, you guys feel a connection about that. Nobody can copy your story word for word. And so because you make content that shows your face, because you make content that tells a story and offers someone a digital product like a PDF, an ebook, or a course, or a community, then people are going to feel connected, and they're going to want to buy from you more than someone else. Because sometimes people aren't going to want to buy from you because they don't just vibe with you. Like, you may not vibe with me in this video, but because you watched this whole video, you probably got so much value that you're like, I like him. And because you like me, you'd probably want to buy from me if I offered you something. Some people will buy, and a lot of people will buy. So a lot of people will buy, a lot of people won't buy. But the whole point is you're making content that's oriented around you, your life, your story, and your value that you have to give away. That's as simple as it gets, guys. I'm telling you right now. So basically, now that you know exactly how to make money online with digital products in 2025, it's time to step forward. It's time to actually get the systems, get the templates, have 90% of the work done for you so you can just know and you feel confident about moving on to your next step with making money online. Again, if you want to join the community, right now we have a 7-day free trial. All you have to do is comment start down below, and I will personally reply to you and give you access to the 7-day free trial, or you can just hit the link in the description down below. All right. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Peace.